Last year when I was invited to explore running for mayor, I went around Caloocan City and I consulted different people there. Nakita namin, grabe ang situation sa Caloocan. And even though I was born and raised in Caloocan, but after I graduated from PMA, so I saw for myself ang grabe ang poverty dyan. I think the poorest people in the Philippines live in Caloocan. Yung facilities niya, yung infrastructure niya, very backward. Then grabe ang corruption. And right now, number one na rin sa criminality ang Caloocan. Sad to say, it's becoming the worst city in Metro Manila. Definitely, no? Wala talagang governance. Ang inaatupag lang ng mga nakaupo is kung saan kukuha ng pagkakakitaan. Ano? Sad to say, kasi otherwise, dapat nakikita mo yung tao eh. And you should feel for them. You should be able to address yung basic needs nila.